Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today we're venturing into a tangy topic. What happens if you eat a lemon every day for a month? Lemons. These small citrus fruits are packed with incredible health benefits, from boosting your immunity to aiding digestion. But what if you consumed one daily for an entire month? In this video, we'll dive deep into the science behind the benefits and side effects of eating a lemon every day. So stay tuned. Lemons are not just a tangy treat, they're a powerhouse of nutrients bursting with vitamin C. These bright yellow fruits play a crucial role in boosting the immune system. It's no secret that vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that actively fights off infections and diseases. But did you know that just one lemon can provide over 50% of your daily vitamin C needs? That's right, this humble fruit can be your natural shield against colds and flu. Moving on to digestion, lemons are a fantastic aid. The citric acid in lemons interacts with other enzymes and acids in your stomach to promote healthy digestion and absorption of nutrients. If you've ever felt bloated or had indigestion, a glass of warm lemon water could be the soothing remedy you need. Now let's talk about skin health. Thanks to their high concentration of antioxidants, lemons can help keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. These antioxidants combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and cell damage. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons aids in the production of collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining skin's elasticity. So if you're looking for a natural way to maintain a youthful glow, incorporating lemons into your diet could be the answer. And for all those aiming to shed some pounds, lemons could be your best friend. They contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps you feel full and satisfied for longer. This can lead to less snacking and smaller portion sizes. Combine this with a balanced diet and regular exercise, and you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. These are just a few of the benefits of eating a lemon every day, all backed by scientific studies. From boosting the immune system, aiding digestion, improving skin health to aiding weight loss, lemons truly pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Clearly, lemons are a great addition to your daily diet, but what happens if you overdo it? In the next part of the video, we'll delve into the potential side effects of eating a lemon every day. Stay tuned. While lemons are beneficial, eating them every day may have some side effects. Indeed, as much as we adore these zesty fruits for their health benefits, there's a flip side to consider. So let's dive right into the side effects of eating a lemon every day. A significant concern is tooth enamel erosion. Lemons are highly acidic, and consistent exposure to this acidity can wear down your tooth enamel over time. According to a study published in the Journal of Dentistry, frequent consumption of acidic foods like lemons can lead to dental erosion, causing sensitivity and discoloration. Moving on, heartburn is another potential side effect. The citric acid in lemons can trigger or exacerbate symptoms of heartburn or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. A study in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that acidic foods could contribute to these conditions. Last but not least, let's talk about stomach issues. The high acidity in lemons can upset your stomach, leading to discomfort, nausea, or even ulcers. A report in the Journal of Environmental Science and Health highlights the correlation between citric acid and stomach ailments. It's essential to remember that these side effects are typically associated with excessive lemon consumption. A single lemon a day might not lead to these problems, but it's always wise to listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. So like everything else, moderation is key. When it comes to consuming lemons, we've seen the good and the bad of eating a lemon every day, from boosting your immune system to improving your skin health. It's clear that this small citrus fruit packs a big punch when it comes to health benefits. However, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Having too much of a good thing, even lemons, can lead to unwanted side effects, such as tooth enamel erosion or stomach issues. It's always crucial to consider your own personal health needs and circumstances. If you're thinking about incorporating a lemon a day into your diet, it might be a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider first. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health situation. That's all for today's episode on the Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy,